Hello，我係 Inspiration Learning Centre 數學科老師 Mr. Nelson，今日想同大家講下一啲關於中三課程嘅題目嘅。好，呢邊就係其中一個例子，就係中三嘅課程嘅。咁呢個題目叫做 probability 啦。咁我講題目先。In a secondary school, there are 50 Form 1 students, 40 Form 2 students, 50 Form 3 students, 45 Form 4 students, 45 Form 5 students, and 40 Form 6 students. A student is chosen at random from school.The first question, find the probability of choosing a Form 1 student. And the second one is find the probability of choosing a Form 4 or Form 5 students. OK， 咁我而家講講第一個問題嘅做法先啦。咁而家佢就題目要求我哋揾一個中一學生嘅機會率，即係由呢班學生裏邊抽一個人出嚟嘅時候，如果嗰個人係 Form 1 student 嘅時候，機會率係幾多咧？我哋點計咧？就先睇翻呢個 concept 啦。原來我哋要揾機會率嘅話，就首先揾咗個總數先啦 ，total number of possible outcomes。喺呢個情況就係呢間學校所有學生每一個 form 嘅總人數加埋一齊，即係50加40加50加45加45再加40，就係下低 total number of possible outcomes。咁我哋就睇下題目要嚟揾咩喎 ？Form 1 student， 所以上高 number of favourable outcomes to the event 咧就應該係 Form 1 student 嘅數量，亦都即係話50個人。咁我就要揾50 over 翻個總數，即係50 over 270啦。咁答案計出嚟就5 over 27，即係或者27/5啦。咁呢個計出嚟答案就係由呢一班學生裏邊抽一個人出嚟嘅時候，而嗰個人係中一學生嘅機會率啦。好，咁再睇第二個問題咯，就係揾中四或者中五學生嘅機會率。咁我呢個情況啦，我哋由呢班學生裏邊抽一個學生出嚟，如果嗰個學生係中四或者中五嘅機會率咧，就要用翻同一個方法做啦。下低分母我哋就擺翻呢間學校嘅學生總人數，亦都即係270啦。咁上高個分子嘅部分咧 ，number of favourable outcomes to the event 就係我哋想要嘅要求啦，就係中四或者中五學生。咁45個，所以上高就90個。咁90 over 270，我哋得出1 over 3或者1/3咧，就係我哋要嘅機會率啦。以上就係呢種題目嘅做法㗎啦。